like I was saying before I so rudely got cut off by this, is we're going from kiloliters to milliliters, so we're moving our decimal over to the right 6 spaces. So adding 5 zeros on the end. So I had 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It always helps to add your commas in. So there's a comma there, there's a comma there. So 7,800,000 milliliters and 7.8 kiloliters. Okay. Next one, so we have a couple more left, 4 more left. We are starting with kilograms and going to milligrams. So 27.9 kilograms. So kilograms is a really big unit. That means there's going to be a lot of milligrams in a kilogram. So let's go back up here. Same kind of thing that we had last time. We're going to go kilo. So here's your kilograms right here to milligrams. So we're starting with kilo. Again, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So we're going to move our decimal 6 to the right. So if we go back down to this here, we've got our decimal right here. We're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Redraw our decimal in and then add those zeros in. Those are some good zeros. So it looks like we're going to be adding again 5 zeros at the end. So 2, 7, 9 followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add in our commas. 1 comma, 2 comma. So 27,900,000 milligrams and 27.9 kilograms. Okay. Next one, we have 3,251 milliliters to liters. So how many liters are in 3,251 milliliters? So again, go back up to this. We're starting with milliliters. And then remember, liter is one of our base units. So liter is right there. So we're going to be going from milliliters, 1, 2, 3 to the right. Again, remember, I can't say this enough. It's kind of like counting in a board game. You guys wouldn't count where your little player is already at. So 1, 2, 3 to the left. So back down to this guy here. On these, remember, even if you don't see a decimal, your decimal is kind of invisible right at the end. Okay, so we're going to move our decimal 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Again, get rid of your old decimal and add your new decimal. So it should be 3 new decimal, 0.251, and then don't forget to label liters. So in 3.251 liters, we have 3,251 milliliters. Okay, or there is in 3,251 milliliters, 3.251 liters. Okay, last one, I'll have you guys kind of pause the video and give it a shot yourself. So 736 centimeters is how many millimeters? Okay, so go ahead, pause your video. Okay, try this one on your own and we'll come back and check it. All right, so if you guys did this correctly, you guys saw we started at centimeters and we're going to millimeters. So you're at centimeters, so centa's right here, and you're going to millimeters, which is right next door. So you're just moving your decimal 1 position, and you should have moved that to the left 1 spot. Okay, so let's go back down to our problem. Your decimal was right here. And we're going to move it to the left 1 spot, or excuse me, to the right. I know the difference. Nice. Yep, moving to the right. I'm a genius. Okay. So we'd add 1 0 at the end. So 7,360 millimeters in 736 centimeters. So you guys can see millimeters is a smaller unit, so we would have a little bit more of them than centimeters. Okay, same thing on this last one. I'm going to have you guys pause it and Come on back and check your guys' answer with me. So you guys are starting with 56,237 milligrams, and you're converting it to kilograms. So how many kilograms are in 56,237 milligrams? So go ahead and pause your video right now, and we'll come back and check your answer. All right, coming back, you guys are starting at milligrams and you're going to kilograms. So again, back to our little table here. Starting at milligrams. So milli is right here. And we're going to kilograms. So opposite end of the chart. So again, starting here, so we're going to start our unit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, this time we're going to the left. That's actually the left this time. So to the left 6 times. So let's go find our decimal and move it to the left 6 times. So our decimal's here at the end. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this down here, make it a little bit easier for us. Our decimal's here, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to redraw your decimal and then add in any zeros if you have spaces. So your answer for this should be 0.056237 kilograms. So then again, to kind of check all of these answers for you guys, you can ask yourself, does that make sense? If we start off with milligrams, which is a really small unit of measurement, we have a lot of them. Kilograms is a really big unit of measurement, so this number should be small. Is our number that we got small? Well, yes, it's 0.056. Okay, so you guys will have an assignment following this on Teams to practice some of these unit conversions. Again, same kind of concept here. You guys should use this chart every time. You won't need to use a calculator. You won't need to do any dividing or multiplying by 10. You're just moving decimals. And again, that's what the great thing about the metric system is really your unit conversions just involve you moving some decimals around, okay? So again, to sum it up, look at what they gave you. Put your finger there. Might be highlighting if that works for you guys. I might highlight what they gave me and highlight what they're asking you to find, and then count just like you would in a board game. How many spaces in between and in what direction. Okay, and then that's how many times and in what direction you move your decimal. So pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy, but let me know if you guys have any questions. You're more than welcome to schedule a Teams meeting with me if you don't have the option of in-person asking questions, but don't hesitate to ask. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you and or talk to you soon. Bye.